Hey, Eamon, what's that called?
Western.
It's called a vuvuzela.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you calling the kitty with it?
Uh-huh. That's what I do. I'm not like her.
You're not finding him, are you? Maybe you should call him with the horn.
Okay.
Call him with the horn.
I caught her.
Is he coming?
Uh-huh. She's coming now. I got helper. Look. Yeah. Helper. Check out.
Can you? Oh, is other kitty calling?
Uh-huh.
Can you face this way? Show me how kitty calls. That sounded like a burp.
This one.
That sounded like a burp too. Very nice.
My son's like
Bye.